Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best drill drivers that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Drill Drivers. Ryobi offer a wide range of drill drivers. A drill is ideal for screw driving and drilling holes into wood, metal and plastic. When you purchase a power tool from Ryobi, you can rest assured that you're getting the best drill for the job. If you need to drill holes into masonry, we recommend using a percussion drill. Our 18 volts cordless drill drivers are compatible with the OnePlus trademark battery system. Number 5. Cordless drill driver kit with 2 batteries. Wacom 12.6 volts power drill. Wacom drill tool set is designed with all copper double bearing gear motor. 300 inches to pound torque max provides strong load capacity. Main features: 2 variable speed and 300 inches to pound torque. No interruption and work light. 2-year warranty. Number 4. Craftsman V20 cordless drill driver kit CMCD 700C1. 2-speed gearbox with speeds of 0350001, 500 for speed of fastening. 1/2 inches keyless chuck for fast and easy bit changes. Main features: 3-year limited warranty. Included 20 volts max lithium battery. High performance motor. Number 3. WorkPro Pink cordless 20 volts lithium ion drill driver set. The drill is designed with variable 2-speed settings, 0 to 400 revolutions per minute and 0 to 1500 revolutions per minute. Main features: super safe and comfortable to use. 1.5Ah lithium-ion battery. High performance. Number 2. Skill Percore 20 brushless 20 volts half-inch drill driver. This electric drill's brushless motor provides power and long tool life. Choose from 17 torque settings, and add a drilling mode for just about any driving application. Main features: 20 volts power drill kit. Powerful performance. High/low speed settings. Number 1. BLACKDECKER 20 volts max cordless drill driver. It has a soft grip handle that provides added comfort during use and a lightweight. This drill is ideal for drilling and screw driving through wood, metal. Main features: 20 volt max lithium ion battery. Soft grip handle. 30 accessories include drill. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.